CPA marketing. As a business owner, you always look for new ways to market your products or services. You may have heard of CPA marketing and wondered what it is and how it can benefit your business. In this video, I will show you how you can start making money with CPA marketing and skyrocket your business in no time without having to invest any money up front. Now, if you're like many people, you may wonder what CPA marketing is and whether or not it's a viable option for marketing your new business. Let's discuss this in detail. But before starting, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like the video so that I know you really want to know this cost-effective marketing technique. What is CPA marketing? CPA stands for cost per action, and CPA marketing is a form of online advertising that allows you to pay for results rather than impressions or clicks. This means you only pay when someone takes a desired action, such as making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. It can be a great way to get more bang for your marketing buck, as you only pay when you get results. CPA marketing can be a great way to reach new customers and grow your business. If you are looking for a new marketing channel to explore, CPA marketing may be right for you. It has mainly 3 categories. 3 categories of CPA marketing. 1. Cost per required action. When a customer or user takes a particular action, such as visiting the advertiser's website, subscribing to a newsletter, or signing up for a trial, the publisher receives a commission. It is the commission that is being paid by you. 2. Cost per sale. After a customer purchases an item due to the affiliate's marketing methods, the advertiser pays the publisher a percentage of the product sale price. The publisher only pays a commission if a successful sale is achieved. It means you won't be paying anything if the customer just added your product to the cart. That's the fantastic thing about CPA marketing. 3. Recurring payment. When a consumer makes a purchase, many affiliate programs pay a one-time commission. However, a recurring payments affiliate model assures that the publisher gets paid each time the customer makes a repeat purchase. You have to pay each time the product is sold out, regardless of whether it is the same customer or not. Benefits of CPA marketing. 1. You only pay for results. With CPA marketing, you only pay when someone takes a desired action, such as making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. This can be a great way to stay cost-effective when marketing, as you only pay when you get results. No results mean no money loss. 2. Reach your ideal customer. CPA marketing allows you to target specific demographics, interests, and even locations. This means that you can reach your ideal customer with your marketing message. 3. Offers flexibility. CPA marketing offers you ultimate flexibility and provides you with marketing solutions that can be adapted to fit your specific needs and goals. 4. Measurable. CPA marketing is a measurable marketing solution, allowing you to track your results and ROI. You can keep a track record of what's working and what's not. When is the right time to change your strategies, and how many people are interested in taking your desired action? It allows you to adjust your budget accordingly. 5. Ultrafast. CPA marketing is a fast way to reach your target market and see results. No other type of marketing offers you the ability to navigate through results as quickly as CPA marketing. 6. Low risk. CPA marketing is a low risk, or can you say no risk, marketing solution, because you only pay if your necessary action has been taken by your ideal customer. Otherwise, all your money is safe and secured, and there is no risk of leakage. How to get the most out of your CPA marketing. Now that you know how beneficial CPA marketing is, let's learn how to get the most out of it. There are a few things that you can do to make sure that your CPA marketing campaign is really effective. 1. Identify your audience. Before you start your CPA marketing campaign, you need to identify your target audience. This will help you create ads and landing pages that are relevant to them and are more likely to convert. You need to do quality research on the people you want to sell your products to. Who are they? What do they want? What are the problems that your product will solve? Do they even want your product or not? 2. Create compelling ads. Your ads must be attention-grabbing and relevant to your target audience if you want them to click on them. Make sure to test different headlines and images to see what works best. Your copy must be persuasive and convincing if you want them to take action. If you don't know how to write compelling ads that convert, simply hire a copywriter for this purpose. Copywriters are professionals in their field and know how to convert their write-up into money for you. 3. Offer an incentive. One way to increase the chances of someone taking your desired action is by offering an incentive, such as a discount or free shipping. You can offer a small part of your product for free if you sell digital products. Suppose you sell an ebook, then offer a small lesson for free. 4. Test, test, test. You should constantly test different elements of your CPA marketing campaign to see what works best. Try different targeting options, ad copy, images, and incentives to see what leads to the most conversions. In marketing, nothing is guaranteed. Even the top copywriter of the age, Gary Halbert, also can't tell you if his written ad will convert or not. It's all about testing until you know what's working for you. 5. Network Affiliate Program Managers. An affiliate manager is someone who manages an affiliate program on your behalf. They discover affiliate partners who meet your needs and negotiate affiliate contracts with publications. Find an affiliate manager that can assist you in developing solid relationships with your affiliate partners, so they will continue to market your items. Some affiliate managers additionally provide creative assistance to affiliate partners to help them generate the most relevant content. Best CPA Networks. 1. Admitad. Admitad has approximately 30,000 advertisers on its network. Ad spots are available on social media, YouTube channels, messengers, and cashback and loyalty programs. Using an order tracking system, you can obtain precise order reports. The platform includes a deduplication tool that allows you to filter out orders from other paid sources, preventing you from paying for the same lead twice. According to the website, over 162 million orders were placed through Admitad publishers in 2020. 2. Panthera. Panthera Network specializes in performance advertising and provides access to thousands of top-tier publishers and can spam-compliant email marketers. Affiliates can promote deals using a range of channels such as banner advertisements, email, mobile ads, pop-ups, searches, and social media. Panthera also has a thorough screening process for publishers to reduce the possibility of advertising fraud. 3. Adsterra. Adsterra is well known for its ad networks, thus the name, but it also operates one of the most fantastic CPA networks. It distinguishes itself with an affiliate-focused approach that prioritizes the demands of affiliate marketers. While most networks pay after advertisers approve conversions, Adsterra CPA assumes all risks and offers lightning-fast payments for trustworthy affiliates. 4. Adcombo. Adcombo's website is the most visually pleasing of the networks in this assessment. They run exclusive campaigns in 12 verticals that are not available through any other CPA affiliate network. They also support over 40 languages, allowing you to develop geo-specific landing pages. Each is served from its own international network of servers to ensure the quickest possible load times. 5. Advendors. Advendors is one of the fastest growing CPA networks and is ideal if you are looking for a network that accepts beginners. They provide a variety of chances for both publishers and advertisers to work and earn profit. They have many categories offered under crypto, gaming, casino, dating, mobile, and so on, as well as those appropriate for all geographic traffic. You may count on this platform as an affiliate for outstanding offers, maximum payments, one-time payments, and exclusive technology. So, CPA marketing can be an effective way to reach new customers and promote your business. With this, we must end our video here. Hope you have learned many new things, so don't mind sharing this video with your circle. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon to get our videos as soon as we upload. Write down your feedback and queries in the comment section below.